Yabona lama press conference aJacinta. Ngishathuba umzonda. If you know how to listen, if you can listen attentively, you are going to realize ukuthi uJacinta is actually fighting an African fight, bro. He's fighting for all these African countries to catch a damn wake up. Yabo manje khona statement aqeda ukusisho nje ngiyibuka manje lokhuza yakhe enye clip yama press conference yakhe. Uthi I cannot join the system if I'm fighting the system. She's referring to ukujoin political party. Uthi ngeke ayenze manje be political party. Futhi ngeke ajoyine political party because ulwa nesystem yena ukuthi system wrong is unjust to South Africans and in a broader sense to Africans at large. Yabo. Yazi ungeze ngavuleka amehlo ukuthi no, ama intentions futhi athi ngivuleka amehlo bengivele ngazi but uwavule more amehlo ami ukuthi no, ama intentions much are pure and are good. Bafuna ukuthi baqale ekhaya. Charity begins at home, which is South Africa. And then they're going to push this all the way to other countries. Because ama Zimbabweans asabu challenger Emerson, I think that's his name, Emerson Mnangagwa. South Africans haven't challenged a president for a while. This is the first time they'll challenge Ramaphosa. I can keep going. Kuno president lapana in Nigeria. She's a flop. A proper flop. Kodwa benzi lutho babhizi balwa nathi la. Uyabo? Lento eqalwa uJacinta. This is something good for Africa. It is too early to see it. But if you are foresighted, you are going to see it. Lento into esidinga sonke. uJacinta wenza into sonke sike siyibuza. Yabo nje ukwabuza omunye umbuzo ukuthi why nihlangane nonke as African countries and presidents and all these people ni complain ngokuthi there's a xenophobic attack in South Africa and blah 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 blah. Nibe concerned ngalokho kube i-main topic, but people are being slaughtered in Libya on videos. There's videos circulating. Anenzi lutho ngalokho. In Nigeria there's a Islam versus Christian war. Anenzi lutho ngalokho. Islamic people are going to in this thing in emasontweni babulale wonke umuntu ngisho ingane. Akaze kuhlangana amazwe akhulume ngale yonto. Kodwa la kuxoshwa abantu abaye emakubo. Bevele befike ngokungemthetho. Amazwe ayahlangana. Uyazi usihlanganiswa yini? Ahlanganiswa ukuthi they are exploiting South Africa. They are exploiting South African minerals in the name of we are all Africans. They gain to benefit. Yeah, but they stand to benefit, sorry. They know how much they stand to gain South Africa by bribing and playing with my emotions, no stupidity, bama politicians. uJacinta is making every single person out there aware ukuthi Africa is actually a great place. We have a problem of politicians, and for the very first time, politicians of South Africa kumele baphendule. Yabona ke manje bafana iyonto ade silindele ngempela. Futhi uma umAfrika wangempela uzobona ukuthi uyakusiza nje obethamba kini. Fika kini nawe niqala imovement nifusegisa abo president leni abasanganayo lapha. Fika kini nawe niqala imovement. Ningabi nice la. It's not going to work. Menzolweni ba nice la. Go start a movement ngakini nani eZimbabwe, Nigeria, wherever you are. Put your grievances. Yabo. Uyasiza uJacinta. Lento lenzo uJacinta le is going to help the rest of Africa. It's just that Africa is iyamagwala too much. Iyakujabulela ukuthi kunabantu abavele ba-oppress abanye and it's fine. Bamagwala. Namagwala kakhulu la eAfrica inkinga yenu. Yabo nje I don't respect these men who flock into South Africa instead of sitting in their countries and fight. Namagwala. You guys are cowards. I don't care ukuthi ugood kangakanani lo president wenu ubulala kangakanani. Vele when change is supposed to come, people must die. And there's nothing ozoyenza. Because kusuke kukhona abantu abahambisana nalento, that unlawfulness, that unfairness esukuyenzeka kwi-country yakho. Kusuke kukhona abantu abahambisana nayo leyo nto. So vele ukuze kube khona i-change, kuzomele kufa abantu. So hambani ema-country enu, niyobulala kumele bafe. Ukuze kuphile kumele kuphile.
Sanibonani babukeli. Nangu ubhuti omncane la ebekumbono wakho ukuthi lama press briefing enziwa uJacinta ummonelisisa kahle noma kuthiwa umzonda, cha, uyambona ukuthi ulwela i-Afrika yonke, akalweli nje i-South Africa. Awukubeke umbono wakho la ukuthi uthini ngalolu daba olushoyo insizwa ukuthi uJacinta akalweli i-South Africa, ulwela i-Afrika yonke nge-March and March. Okuwukuthi ulwisana nombuso wepolitiki ukuthi icinezela abantu ipolitiki. Iy'nkinga esibhekene nazo nje iyipolitiki, futhi i-March and March ayisoze yaba iqembu lepolitiki. Izohlala nje iyiqembu elizimele elingahlangene zepolitiki. Hhayi-ke Mbukile, asesihlangane kwenye ividiyo elandelayo. Sicela ubeke umbono wakho ukuthi uthini ngalolu daba. Bye bye.